I built SPXXL because I was tired of trading blind. Every guru sold the same playbook, but some days it worked and some days it didn't. And nobody could tell me why. So I built an engine that classifies SPX 0DTE sessions into 6 archetypes. I graded it publicly, 340 plus sessions, 86% correct. I show the wins and the losses. You'll understand why 86% of sessions follow a pattern, and why the 14% that don't are just as valuable to see coming. See the classification before the bell. Most services sell you complexity so you think it's valuable. I sell you clarity because I've already done the work. You get the classification at 6 a.m., you trade the structure at 9:30, you're done by lunch. That's the offer. This isn't about getting rich. It's about having options. The freedom to know your edge before you risk a dollar. Start free. 5 full trading days. No card required. If it doesn't change how you trade, walk away. But by day 3, you'll check SPXXL before you check your charts.